Okay, I am Dr. Sanjay Singhal. I am the Chief Operating Officer of Stallen Private Limited. This is a joint venture company between India and Italy. So we have tied up with Fatro from Italy. So we are doing vaccines from Fatro of Italy. We have our own manufacturing facilities for feed supplements. We have 3 factories near Palghar near Mumbai, 50 kilometers off Mumbai, where we have 3 plants where we manufacture the state-of-the-art feed supplements, which we have displayed in the Calcutta International Fair, which you can see. So we have products ranging from antibiotic growth promoters to probiotics, enzymes. We have a full range of acidifiers, medicines, and of course the vaccines from Fatro. So we are trying to give a sustainable poultry production solution to our farmers, which is the need of the hour, knowing the crisis in poultry, which all of us know that the broiler poultry is going down and the layer farmers are coming up. So we are trying to provide sustainable solutions for the poultry production right from the chick stage to the end stage. So that is our company, and here we are here to exhibit our products, which will be very beneficial to the poultry farmers and the feed millers alike. We are getting a very excellent feedback. Actually, last year also we had participated in the same, but we had a smaller stall. But seeing the response last year, we decided to take a bigger stall this year. And the response has been overwhelming, and hopefully we will come back again in the next year too.